If the case realized by the sale of or on the motoring of the securities excluding in the former case the interest accrued exceeded the market value of the securities and the data on which the deposited with the bank. The central government many estimated that the full amount required to be deposited under subsection 1 is in deposited direct the Reserve Bank return a bank to return the excess. If any part of a deposit made under this section is used in the discharge of any liability on the insured, the insurer shall deposit such additional sum in case or approved securities estimated at the market value of the securities on the day of deposit of partly in case and partly in such securities as will make up the amount so used. The insured shall be deemed to have failed to comply with the requirement of subsection 1 unless the deficiency is supplied with an approved of 2 months from the data when the deposited or any party therefore shows used from discusses is liabilities. Any deposit made under Section 7 or Section 98 shall be deemed to be party of the acts of the insured, but shall not be susceptible any of any assignment or charge more. Shall it be available for the discharge of any liability of the insured other than liabilities arising out of policy cash of insurance used by the insured so long as any such liabilities remain under such not norm shall it be liability to attainment in extension for any deep expect deep avoidment by a policy holder of the insured in respect of a debit due upon a policy which debit the policy holder has failed to release in any other way. Where deposit is made a required of life insurance business, the deposit made in respect therefore shall not be available for discharge of any liability of the insurer. They are then liabilities arising out of policy of life insurance used by the insurance. Where an insurer has case to carry on in Indian on class of insured business and his liabilities in India in respect of all class of insurance business have been stripped or area are otherwise provided for, the court may on the application of the insurer order the return of the insured of the deposit made by him under this act. Where the insured carries on business of more than one of the following class, mainly life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance or miscellaneous insurance, he shall keep a separate amount of respect and payment in respect of case such class of insurance business and where the insurer carries on business of elimination insurance, whether alone or in connection with business of another class, he shall, unless the authority waive this requirement in writing, keep a separate account of all respects and payments in respect of cash of such subclass of elimination insurance business as may be established by the registration accompanied by Insurance Act 2015, provided that no subclass of eliminatory insurance business shall be prescribed under the subsection of the insurance business comprised in the subclass concept of insurance contracts, which area treatable by the insurer a liability to pay benefit case within 1 year of the data on which the claims accrues, where the insurer carries on the business of life insurance, all respect due in respect of such business shall be carried to and shall from respect and to be collect the life insurance found the assessed of which shall be kept distinct and separate from all other assets of the insured on the and the deposit made by the insured in respect of his of life insurance business shall be deemed to be part of the assets of such found, and every insured shall within the time limited in subsection 1 of section 15 in regard to the furnishing him of the estimates and accounts referred to in section 11, furnish to the authority a statement showing in detail such stocks as at the class of every calendar year daily characterized by an auditory or by a person qualified to audio that such estimated shall in the case of an insured to whom section 11 application be set out as a part of the balance sheet mentioned in class A of subsection 1 of that section.